Kings Canyon National Park. On September 25th, 1890, President Benjamin Harrison signed a legislation establishing America's second national park, created to protect the giant sequoia trees from logging. Sequoia National Park was the first national park formed to protect a living organism, Sequoia dendron giganteum. 1 week later, General Grant National Park was created and Sequoia was enlarged. Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks support a wide diversity of animal species, reflecting the range in elevation, climate, and habitat vary here. Over 260 native vertebrate species are in the parks. Numerous additional species may be present but have not been confirmed. Of the native vertebrates, 5 species are extinct here, and 150 are rare and uncommon. Kings Canyon was created from glaciers that melted in the water from it. The water flowed and eroded the rocks to create the canyon. The caves were also formed by the water from the glaciers. The water cycle is part of my park because the water that formed the canyon and cave from the glaciers evaporated and flowed to create ridges and mountains and eroded rocks into valleys. In the other landform, water flowed down from the mountains, creating ridges, slopes, and flowing down, creating the lake. The mountains have been covered, or rather coated, with a thick mantle ice, and the glaciers have formed over a very long and extended period of time with cold, cool, and wet weather that contributes to all of the glaciers forming. The glaciers do move something like slow motion rivers. They're very slow on moving when they carve the deep valleys into the mountains as well as the craggy peaks. There are metamorphic rocks in this canyon. There is a way to communicate by government funding. The Kings Canyon Fund donates $100,000 annually for capital investments in the parks. By investing more deeply in these and other partnerships, we will generate additional financial and human resources. This is a picture of metamorphic rock. Kings Canyon consists of a lot of metamorphic rock. This is what the mountains, caves, and most of the rocky landforms are made of. This is a picture of Kings Canyon National Park and Sequoia National Park.